What's up, guys? So, in this story, I'm going to tell you of something that happened in the county jail that involves strength and unity and a bunch of fucking cowards. Okay? So, what happened was we were in this, like a maximum security unit where everybody in there was like violent offenders. You had to be a violent offender to qualify to be there. Nobody else was. So, there was a lot of bullshit happening with gangs and a lot of fights, and they put us into what's called a lockdown. Okay, so a lockdown means that all movement stops, all activities stop. You're not getting on the phone. You're not doing anything. Okay, you can still get visits during that lockdown, but that's it. So they put us in a lockdown for 30 days, which is a long time. Usually it's just a couple days, but they put us in for a month. The minute they released us from that, a fight happened immediately. Somebody got stabbed and a fight happened, and they put us right back into another 30-day lockdown. So this is like really fucked up because people aren't able to shower, people aren't able to do anything. Okay, anything. We're literally showering ourselves what's called a bird bath in the fucking sink. Okay, so after the whole 60 days passed, they we were all anxious to get outside because none of us had even felt any air, any fresh air for that entire period. And they announced what's called outdoor rec, where they take us outside for an hour to the concrete yard that they have. And typically that's done once or twice a week. So everybody lined up and everybody was waiting. And they kept bullshitting us about why it was taking so long. Normally you just line up, they do a count, everybody moves, the movement happens, and you're there into the yard. So we stood there for 45 minutes waiting. And everybody was real aggravated. Everybody's upset. Like, what the hell? What's taking so long? Because we knew that 45-minute wait, all the time that we were waiting there was taking away from our time outside. So we're trying to figure out what's happening. We waited there. At the very end of that 45 minutes, one of the guards comes and says, no outdoor rec. Outdoor rec is canceled. Everybody lock back in. So I said something to the guy. I'm like, yo, what the fuck happened? Like, why have we been standing here all this time if there's no outdoor rec? What the fuck is the whole purpose of this? What happened? Something happened or something? And he just laughed. Okay, so the guy laughed. He's like, basically, fuck you. So I got upset and I said, you know what? Fuck that, man. I'm not locking in until somebody tells me something. I'm not fucking locking in. You just fucking laughing at me, motherfucker, playing us out like we're fucking idiots, using us for your fucking sick entertainment, motherfucker. I'm not locking back in. And everybody supported me. Everybody got riled up and said, yeah, fuck that. None of us are locking back in. So now we have the strength in unity. Okay? Usually, that's how shit gets done in those type environments. If you can get people together and stand strong, united, you can address issues and you can get stuff done. Administration will respond. They'll want to come down and talk and find out what the fuck is going on that all these inmates are, acting up like this. And they'll get to the bottom of it, So we had everybody there. Everybody's all tough now saying, yeah, fuck that. We're not locking in. Yeah, Hollywood, we got your back. So good. All right. The minute the fucking doors opened, okay, the unit doors opened and the fucking goon squad came in. They're all blacked out, like the riot guys, basically. They came in. The second they fucking saw these guys, okay, the second the first one crossed the threshold of the door, every motherfucker behind me ran to their cells and locked themselves back in. I couldn't fucking believe it. I had never seen such fucking cowardice in my life by so many of these fucking tough guys. All bad motherfuckers, gang members, killers, blood on your hand, bad dudes. And here you are fucking running back the second. All they had to do was fucking stand there with me. They stood there with me, and those fucking goon squad guys would not have engaged when they saw everybody standing there. They would not. They would not have started with any violent shit because we had strong numbers. And it's just unfucking believable, guys. So let me tell you what happened to me first. So what happened to me was they fucking jumped on me once they saw I was the only one there and dragged me the fuck out. Now, they're telling me they're going to charge me with inciting a riot, saying that because that guard that I had those words with, he said, yeah, it was Hollywood. He's the one who fucking told everybody not to lock in, which was not true. I didn't tell anybody anything. They themselves took that position, okay? Luckily for me, there is a gang unit sergeant, okay? His name's Delgado, who was very cool with me, and he squashed all that charges shit, because that's a serious charge. Had I got that charge, I would have ended up serving so much time in lockup. I would have caught more time on my sentence, and I would have lost so much freedom of movement, basically. It's a serious charge to catch. So he had that squashed for me. I went back to the unit, and that was it. But the moral of the story, guys, is first that it is very important that people see that with numbers, with unity, anything can get accomplished, okay? Anything. You're so strong when you have a bunch, a group, the larger, the better, who are all united for the same exact purpose and will stand strong. The second part of the moral to the story is don't ever trust any of these fucking tough guys, okay? Because these fucking tough guys, the guys that act tough and talk a lot of shit, they fucking left me hanging like that in a blink of an eye. All right? So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I thought it was a funny story. Unbelievable what happened, man. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you next time.